Now to take a live look outside using the Mission Ridge camera and check the forecast with meteorologist Alison Pryor, as we are now in that rainy spell has started.
It sure has. So we're going to be dealing with these on and off showers today, tomorrow, and on Thursday. Let's talk about what's happening outside in Chattanooga right now. 55 degrees. The city of Chattanooga is one of the warmer spots, along with Dalton and Fort Payne at this hour. Some locations even cooler than that. So you do want to grab maybe that layered sweater and at least a raincoat as you're heading out on this Tuesday afternoon. Let's go ahead and take a peek at what to expect then hour by hour, because even though it's 55 right now, we're going to be seeing our temperatures falling for your afternoon. So notice 54 at 2 o'clock, but by 4 p.m. 51 degrees. Now, we'll generally just have a few isolated showers during the afternoon hours. So we had the widespread rain in the morning time. We'll still have a few showers this afternoon, but things are going to pick up more as we head into the evening time, particularly after sunset, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, heading into the overnight hours. And at that point, we'll be in the 40s. So that cool kind of chilly rain for the overnight hours heading into Wednesday. Here's a check of our radar. I've switched it back over to that really sensitive mode that I was showing yesterday as well. So where you're seeing that green, that's going to be what you would typically think of some light rainfall. But that blue color, that's going to be those few areas of that little bit of drizzle, just those small raindrops that are going to be coming down. And you can still see that general movement from west to east across our area. So that rain in Grundy County, portions of Chattooga, Gordon County, McMinn County, northern portions of Ray County as well. And then lots of additional pockets of that ongoing drizzle. Here's the bigger picture though. So we have that frontal system that is just to the east of us, kind of channeling up some of this moisture into our area. I'm going to pull back even further, and what you're going to notice is that for where we are and just to our west, there's not as many pockets of rainfall. That's why I said just a few showers this afternoon. But notice further back to Oklahoma, Texas, more of those blue and pink colors, that's going to be freezing rain and snow. That moisture is going to follow that same channel right into our area, bringing that increase in rain during the overnight hours. So let's time that out with futurecasts. So again, a few pockets of showers this afternoon into early evening. Cloud cover still across our region. Also a little bit of that reduced visibility with the fog and mist ongoing. Tonight, after sunset, here comes more of that rain pushing through with that second wave. And notice some of those pink colors in our local area. Most of us all green, temperatures well above freezing. The pink, that's going to indicate for our northwestern communities the potential for freezing rain. Comes down as liquid rain droplets. As soon as it hits the surface, temperatures below freezing, it'll freeze over into ice and can cause some slick conditions. That's going to continue through the overnight hours into Wednesday morning. Again, rest of the area, just liquid rain. Through the daytime on Wednesday, temperatures going to warm up above freezing, so that's some good news. And then just a few isolated showers here and there for your Wednesday daytime before we get more additional rainfall, very widespread, really throughout the day on Thursday. So Thursday is probably the day we're going to have the most consistent rainfall out of the entire week. So how much rain are we talking about? Today, tomorrow, Thursday, in total, on average, 1 to 2 inches of rain. What about that ice potential? This is a little bit different if you're watching yesterday. So winter weather advisories and kind of that purplish color ice storm warnings right over here. I'm going to zoom in and you can see we now have a winter weather advisory for 2 of our counties, Grundy and Van Buren County. Ice up to 1/10 of an inch. That means difficult travel conditions are going to be possible overnight tonight, but especially on Wednesday morning for your morning commute. Particularly, we're talking about elevated roads like bridges and overpasses. Also, just be careful on your decks and steps leaving to go into work because of that little bit of ice. Again, temperatures, highs today, generally in the low 50s, but 55 in Chattanooga. Latrice?
Thank you, Allison.